we are coming into Surf City on Highway 210. Wanted to make a video. On the way in. Looks fine. That's good news. There's a line down. Surf City Barbecue looks good. There's water standing in low-lying areas, which is to be expected. You can see in the ditches alongside of 210 here. Haven't seen much damage to any structures. Just past the mobile home parks, and everything looks pretty much intact. Got some trees down over there by the Dollar General. Up on the swing bridge. I doubt they'll let us go across there. But you can see down by the walk, all the billboards look like they've gotten knocked down. Yeah, somebody's sitting up there on the bridge keeping people from coming down. But I'm going to pull down here. Here's the new bridge. The water is actually up to the road right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the sound is in the road right here. So the water looks pretty rough out there. I see some debris floating around. Move this so it's not as distracting. See if I can get a better view. Yeah, it looks pretty rough. I'm not going to go across this, and especially not going to go past the. Looks like there's a cop up there on the bridge. Somebody in a big truck. Maybe it's not a cop. If it's not a cop, we'll go check it out. Pretty good winds. Feels like maybe 70 mile an hour, 60, 70 mile an hour. You can see the roof of that structure is starting to come off. All right, this water's not moving anywhere, so that guy just drove through it. We'll give it a go. It's only about 8 inches deep. You can see all the boats that were normally right there are gone. Water's up really high. Comes another fella across pretty intense. There's a house down there that's submerged. Most of those campers right there are submerged. Looks like the water is coming over the island. The storm surge, yeah. Submerged. Normally that is, normally those are not covered up like that. So, you can see there's a big boat over there that is gotten beached over there in Max's Pizza parking lot. There's a reporter. This doesn't look very deep. Continue on. Just not go too fast because this salt water, I do not want that in my engine. Shorting out components and getting me stuck out here. Sports. It's got some siding missing, but it looks intact. I'm gonna head up this way, turn around at Surf City Campground. I'm not going in this. This is too deep. I'm just going to turn around. But I don't know if you can see that on the screen. 210 here. Island Drive is completely submerged. This is amazing. Wish I could get around, but I'm not taking a chance of getting stuck in deep water. We'll wait till it goes down a little bit. Here's some loud noises over there. Something's popping. No real wind damage. No major wind damage that I've seen. We'll go over here to the pier and see if we can get up there. Might be too deep. I don't know. We can get up here to the pier, get out and take a look. Now it's going to be loud here in a second. I'm going to do my best. but just bear with me.